Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. A lot of work done to this car. It's a 1960 Bel Air. You see a lot of the Impalas around. You don't see many Bel Airs. Very, very rare. Got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Good, good.
Good. So what do we got? It is a little windy. A lot of recent work done, right?
Yes, 2-year, professionally done restoration, complete restoration. Frame, everything's been redone. All the sheet metal, there's no rust on the car. It's been undercoated, sealed, primed, and repainted inside and out.
Beautiful paint. A lot of mechanical work done, right?
Yes, all new, complete new drivetrain.
What's under the hood?
It's a 406 cubic inch, high performance, 406 with 535 horsepower.
Wow. It's a crate motor, or?
Yeah, actually it was from Skip White Performance. It comes with a 5-year warranty.
Wow, fantastic. How many miles on the motor?
600.
Same as tranny, right?
Same as the train. It's a 200 R4, brand new.
Overdrive trans.
Overdrive, yes sir.
Cool. Power steering, power brakes.
Yes.
Front runner assembly.
Mm-hmm.
Did you add the power brakes to it?
Yeah.
Cool. Tubular A-arms up front, I noticed.
Yes. With the sway bars in the back.
Front and rear sway bars.
Yeah.
Beautiful straight body.
Yeah, there are some 1,000 hours in the bodywork and metalwork on the car. It's basically turnkey. There's really nothing left to do to the car. Just get in it and enjoy it.
Very cool. Did you add the seat belts too?
Yes.
And the radio?
Seat belts now. The cars in 1960 didn't come with seat belts.
Yeah, I know. I noticed.
We added those for safety and
Sure.
legal reasons. Front and rear.
Cool.
Those are graphite gauges, decoded digital.
Really nice. You went all the way out. Fuel, volts, temp, oil, speedometer.
Yes, sir. That's a tilt column in front of you there as well.
Very nice.
Nickel plated.
B&M shifter, custom console. Man, super nice. Can you fire it up? Let's hear it. Man, it's a great sound. It's 2.5 inch exhaust or 3? Yeah. Okay. It's got a custom stereo in the dash.
Yeah, it comes with Bluetooth.
Looks like new carpet.
Yes, all new metal, all new carpeting.
Love the light inside too. Very cool.
A little touch we had.
Very nice.
Didn't come with backup lights.
Let's check out under the hood. Sorry about the wind, guys. It is just windy today. 406. Very nice.
This is done by Skip White Performance and Racing in New Jersey.
Okay.
As I said, it comes with a 5-year warranty.
Aluminum heads, EPS Performer high-rise manifold. It's like a 650 double pumper, right?
750.
750. Power steering, power brakes, electronic ignition. Looks like a new steering box, all new hoses.
Yes, sir.
Upper and lower tubular A-arms. New shocks.
Pushing, rolling, rubber all through the car. Front and rear.
electric fans, brand new radiator. Man, how much money you got in this car?
75,000. Actually, 74,965.
Wow.
And that's with the receipts. I have all the receipts for it.
Wow. So was the body off on this?
Yes.
Wow. Gorgeous.
My family and I spared no expense. We knew we wanted a nice quality car that was going to be good and safe for whoever.
Reliable, yeah. Sure, the key and go, right?
Yeah, yeah. We're hoping to do some trips with it.
And you got some goodies in the trunk for the buyer, right?
Yes.
Let's check them out. And love the wings in the back. So 60s. So what do we got back here?
It's a brand new Willwood brake, 4-piston brake system.
Four corners?
4 corners. It's got the drop spindles.
Huh.
No, it's just for the front. It's got the drop spindles.
Yep.
The calipers, the rotors, and all you need are the brake pads.
Wow.
It's got everything. Oh, the kit's complete.
Man, that's big money right there.
Yeah.
Giving away with the car, guys. A little bonus for you.
Every hot rod needs a little touching of this, that, or personalization.
I agree, definitely.
So we left those for the next guy.
Can we take it for a quick ride down the block?
Absolutely.
Cold today.
That's not bad. A little nippy.
You're a polo bear, that's why.
Thank you.
Yeah. Juicy. Sounds good, man.
Bad for 60 years old.
Yeah, I think I left right here. Sounds good. A little stall speed over there?
Yeah, 2,500.
What kind of gears you got in the back?
353s in the rear. Give you enough pep and get off the line, but it'll also keep you nice
On the highway.
RPMs on the highway.
Cool.
At 60, this car will sit at 2,200 RPMs all day long.
It's great for trips, you know?
Absolutely. Automatic with overdrive. It's a real nice, comfortable car.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And thanks again, Mike, for showing us your car. It's gorgeous.
Rich.